Unable to download and install the HP Smart app on a Mac computer. If you are having difficulty downloading and installing the HP Smart printing application, there are a few steps you can take to fix the issue. After each step in this video, try to download HP Smart again. If you encounter the same issue, proceed to the next step. Step 1. Check Mac requirements and settings. Your computer must meet HP Smart System requirements. If you get an App Store message that your computer is unsupported, check the system requirements in the app information. If a computer update is required, click the Apple menu, and then click System Settings, then Software Update to check for and install any available operating system updates. Try to download the app again. Step 2. Check the network settings. In order to install and use the app, make sure your Mac is connected to an active internet connection. The geographical location of your network can also affect your ability to download the app. If your computer is connected to a virtual private network, or VPN for short, disconnect it before downloading the app. Step 3. Use HP Print drivers or AirPrint as a workaround. If your printer or computer does not meet the requirements, or if the app download issues persist, you can use alternate setup methods. To print using HP Print drivers and software, go to 123.hp.com/setup. Follow the guided steps to install the recommended print driver and software and complete the setup. If the software is not available for your printer, set up the printer using Apple AirPrint. To use AirPrint, connect the printer to the same network that the Mac is connected to, or use a direct USB connection. On your Mac, click the spotlight icon, and then search for and open Printers and Scanners. If your printer is not listed, click Add Printer, Scanner, or Fax or the Add button, and then follow the instructions to complete the setup process.